Hello everyone, I'm Melanie from Overseas Motors BMW. BMW owners don't just own their car, but rather they celebrate its presence in their life. Today, I'll throw some light on rear differential leak to know what exactly it means. This is one problem that can be fixed before damages to the internal components occur. If it happens in your BMW, firstly, let's know about what the rear differential is and exactly what it does. In simple terms, the rear differential receives the torque from the engine and splits the energy two ways, allowing the left and the right wheels to turn at different speeds. The rear differential disperses the power between the rear wheels. If the right tire is heading into a turn at 17 rotations per minute, the left tire will have to slow down by 17 rotations per minute. So how do you know if your rear differential is leaking or not? In order to determine if the rear differential is leaking or not, you can look to see if there's any oil seeping out of the gasket by checking the underside of the differential at the housing. If there is any seepage happening, your differential seal is weak and about to fail completely. Or you can also check underneath the rear of the car between the two tires. If there's a puddle of oil, you may have a leaking differential seal. You'll need to get this leak fixed in a timely manner to prevent catastrophic failure to the internal components. Are you finding the right repair facility to make sure that your rear differential is leaking or not? Come and see us at Overseas Motors BMW. We'll make sure it gets fixed properly.